It was 1998 during the outbreak of encephalitis and respiratory illness in Malaysia and Singapore. The outbreak was traced to pig farms, and it is believed that the virus was transmitted to pigs from bats. Since then, there have been a number of outbreaks of Nipah virus infection in Bangladesh, India and Malaysia. The outbreaks have been generally small, but they have been associated with high mortality rate. Let's today talk about the Nipah virus and how it's spreading in Indian Kerala state. Let's get it. Let's start with Nipah virus itself. Nipah virus, what is Nipah virus? Nipah virus is a zoonotic virus, meaning that it can spread from animals to people. Well, it's spreading from bats to other animals such as pigs and other animals. Well, from there to other people. From there to other humans it is spreading. Well, people can become easily infected by the Nipah virus infection when they come in contact with, when they consume contaminated food or drink that have been infected, that have been contaminated by bad saliva or urine. In other case, when they come directly in contact with infected person's body fluids, or when they come in contact with body fluids of other animals that is infected. So in such cases, it can spread easily and people can become infected by Nipah virus infection. Like this, it is spreading in Kerala, where it is reported that it is transmitting from person to person. Okay, let's study about Kerala state. When we come to Kerala, so in the present outbreak showing that 2 persons have been died due to Nipah virus infection, where 6 were infected in that, while 2 people have been died by Nipah virus infection. Let's look out what are the symptoms it will show when the people get infected by Nipah virus infection. Let's talk about the symptoms of Nipah virus infection. When we come to symptoms of Nipah virus infection, they may vary from mild to severe. Well, certain people may experience no symptoms at all, while certain people become very sick due to Nipah virus infection. The people who is infected by Nipah virus infection may develop or experience certain symptoms like fever, cough, sore throat, vomiting, diarrhea or muscle pain. Well, in other cases, they may also get to observe confusion, disorientation, and the person who is infected by Nipah virus can go to coma also. So these are the symptoms shown by Nipah virus infection. Let's talk about what are the precautions, how we can stay safe from Nipah virus infection. Let's talk about what are the precautions we can take. When we come to precautions, there is no specific treatment or vaccine for Nipah virus infection. All we need to do is to avoid exposure to that virus. First, we need to avoid direct contact with bats or other animals. Second, we need to wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly before we consuming that fruit or vegetable. So third one, we need to wash our hands thoroughly after coming in contact with animals or their body fluids. Like this, we need to avoid exposure to that virus and we can stay safe from that Nipah virus infection. So these are the precautions we can take and stay safe from Nipah virus infection. If we come to conclusion, Nipah virus infection is too fatal because its mortality rate is very high, 40 to 70%. So that's very high, right? So we need to stay safe. So we need to follow certain precautions so that we can easily avoid this infection. So this is our video. So if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.